Okay, in this next example, it says in a survey of 100 travelers who have been to either Europe or Asia, or both, 86 have traveled to Europe and 31 have traveled to Asia. How many have traveled to both Europe and Asia? Okay, so we have two types of travelers, right? We have the European travelers. I'm going to draw a circle to represent the European travelers. I'm going to label it E for Europe. And then we have the Asian travelers. Okay, so these people have been to Asia, somewhere in Asia. I'm going to label the set of all those people as A. Okay, and then we have the entire set of travelers. Okay, that are surveyed. And that's going to be my big box. Now, how many people are there? 100 travelers, and a survey of 100 travelers. Now, I could put 100 right here. Okay, so we've surveyed 100 travelers. One thing to note, though, and this is one thing that might throw a lot of you off, is that these are all travelers who have been to either Europe or Asia. Okay, so it it's not going to include if they have never been to Europe and Asia, we're not surveying them. So one thing you know right away from that is that there are 0 travelers who have not been to Europe or Asia, because we only surveyed those who have been to Europe or Asia. Okay, so so that's something that you can kind of infer from what we're told, because we're only surveying European and Asian travelers. All right, so let's take the rest of the information. 86 have been to Europe. All right, so I'm going to write 86 on the line, because I don't know. Some of those European travelers may have also been to Asia. So I don't really know how to divide it up between the regions yet. So I'm just going to write it on the line. We're also told that there are 31 travelers who have been to Asia. Okay, again, I don't know how to divide it up, because some of those travelers may have been to both. But that's actually what we need to figure out, is how many have been to both. So we've got 100 travelers, but notice if we add up 86 and 31, what do we get? We get 117. So 117, that's too many, right? We only have 100 people surveyed. So that means some people were double counted, and those people who were double counted are here in the middle. There are 17 people that have to be double counted. All right, and those are the people who have been to both Europe and Asia. So we're done. We can just say that 17 people have traveled to both Europe and Asia. Have traveled to both Europe and Asia. Okay, that's all we need. Now we could compute some more information, but we don't need it because we're done with the question. All right. Well, I'll see you in the next video. It's another one for you to try. Yeah, join me in the next video for the solution.